Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a long-lasting torch. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a strong, straight stick, ideally around 3 feet in length and 1.5 inches in diameter for a good grip. Next, prepare several strips of cotton cloth, each about 2 inches wide and 18 inches long. Finally, choose your fuel. Paraffin wax or a suitable lamp oil will work best for sustained burning. Now, let's prepare our fuel. If using paraffin wax, carefully melt about 1 pound in a double boiler to avoid direct heat. This ensures a safe and even melt. For lamp oil, simply pour 16 ounces into a shallow, non-flammable container. The goal is to have enough liquid fuel to fully saturate your cotton strips, which will form the torch's wick. Proper saturation is key for a consistent flame. With your materials ready, it's time for assembly. Take your cotton cloth strips and tightly wrap them around one end of your stick, forming a dense head. Ensure there are no loose ends. Next, firmly secure this wrapped cloth with strong wire or durable twine to prevent unraveling during use. Finally, submerge the entire cloth head into your prepared fuel, allowing it to soak for at least 15 minutes for maximum absorption. Safety is paramount when using any torch. Always operate your torch outdoors in a clear area, far from any flammable objects or structures. Never leave a lit torch unattended. To extinguish, use sand or a dedicated snuffer to completely smother the flame. Never use water on oil-based fuels. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a pet-friendly clean, please see the link in the description below. Remember to store your torch safely when not in use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.